Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do a quarantine hair and makeup look for you guys today. I know that most of us, we cannot wear makeup because first thing, we can't do it ourselves, and we cannot get our hair done because the salons are closed. So I will be styling my hair today and doing my makeup. Simple quarantine. If you still want to look pretty inside, it's the quarantine look. So for my hair, I will be using DILLYSPARKLZ product, and they are lovely. Y'all should go and visit our website because these products are everything. So my hair is clean, but I'm going to show you guys after I shampoo and condition my hair. Well, I use this mask, and it's like a leave-in conditioner. So I leave this in for a couple of minutes, and then once I rinse my hair out and it's time to style, I use my hair pomade. Lovely. It's like, we call it ear oil. That's lovely also. I use a little bit of that, but my miracle is these 3 oils, which is, let me see if I can show you all 3. These 3 oils are everything. So this right here is the castor oil, and we have the rice bran oil, and we have the Malaya goat oil. I mix all 3 oils, and this bottle, guys, it's only a red bottle, so the oil is not red. All right, these 3 oils, I get a little bottle like this, and I mix all 3 oils into this, and I use it for my kids' hair, and I use it for my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is going on good. But I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair. We rocking our own hair, so it's quarantine time. There's no wig, no braids, no nothing. So we're just going to find something else, a substitute to rock our natural hair. If you do have natural hair also, it's perfect. Don't just style your hair. There's so many styles. There's so many styles you can do. You can do a cane roll up, or that's what we call it, braid. You can do that. You can probably put some rods on your hair. There's so many styles that we can rock. Like, y'all, listen, this quarantine and this, first of all, some of us are gonna learn to do hair. It's time to practice that makeup that y'all been wanting to start practicing, or everybody want to learn a few things in makeup. Same thing with hair. It's time to start practicing. So this video is mainly on basically like rocking your natural hair and doing a little glam, because I do makeup. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start off first doing my makeup, and then I'll style my hair at the end and show you guys how I wrap my hair. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And if you don't do anything, you can just do your eyebrows. You don't need nothing extra. You can only do your eyebrows, and you will be perfect. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and I will be using my ANCO pencil, which is this perfect pencil right here. It's on my website, so you guys can get this pencil on my website, www.watchCrissyWork.com. So let's get into these brows, and this is the perfect brush for your eyebrows and for cutting that crease, okay? You're gonna thank me later. guys, this is the magic right here, my rose water. It's on my website, the magic, okay?
Feels like motion, yeah. We know they younger than you, so no explosion. Now we make the promotion, yeah. They've been dance for them, watch we have emotion. See if I will slow down, yeah. We do it first, cause it's soft like lotion. And waves like the ocean, yeah. We'll never see a force, we'll never see a force so strong.
Okay guys, we are done with the makeup, looking flawless, and then now I'm going to do my hair. So first things first, guys. Ooh, you see, I still got a little hair out, but don't you dare use elastic bands in your hair because it's gonna rip it out. Okay, it's gonna rip it out, it's gonna rip it out. Alright, so this is my hair, and we are going to fix it. We are going to fix it. Alright, so first things first.
Ready for the thumping, ready for the thumping.
My bad girl step out and stunting, yeah. Ties them.
Guys, this is the miracle worker right here. So let's get into it. This is the edge control from DILLYSPARKLZ, and it is everything, okay? So I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail. Okay, so this part you can fix it however you want to fix it. We could even do it side and side, but nah. Okay, so this is it, guys. We rocking, because I don't put anything in my hair, so my ponytail is coming up. But this is it. If you want a little baby hair, you can make it. If you don't want none, you don't have to. Alright guys, this is it. This is my quarantine hairstyle and makeup. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thank you guys. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tell a friend, okay? And make sure you visit my website, which is www.WatchCrissyWork.com. It will be down in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching.